what's going on, ADV hooligans? We're getting ready to change out this foot peg, and we're going to take this cotter pin out. Sometimes it can be a little difficult. You got to hold and turn that cotter pin. I'm trying to get the vice grips on the back piece of that cotter pin so I can twist the two legs forward. It can be quite difficult at times. Just take your time with this. Sometimes it can be a little tricky. Once you get it straightened out like I do here, you can pull it straight on out. There you go. Yeah, it's simple how it comes out. Now push it from the bottom to the top. Watch the spring there. Peg, spring. Put the spring on. Put the foot on the back. Latch that little foot on the spring to the back of the bracket. Push it in. Push your pin down from the top to the bottom. Just takes a minute to line up. And then reinsert a cotter pin. And the pin that came with the Camel pegs are actually a little bit thicker than the stock, so I'm going to probably reuse I'm going to straighten it out here just a little bit. These pegs actually were on my first T7. I'm just switching them over to my current T7. All right, just knock that in just a minute. When you use an old cotter pin, sometimes you have to persuade it just a hair. But then again, you just lock onto the back again. Then take another set of pliers. Once you get a good, this one's being a booger. Once you get a good grip on that cotter pin, so you can spread those back legs back out. And this one's a little bit stiffer since it's a bigger, heavier duty cotter pin. But trust me, this is the hardest part of changing these, and this isn't hard. This is just a little time consuming. Patience pushing. Eventually you will get it. It just takes a little bit of time. Damn, this little pin is tough. Hopefully you guys don't struggle like I'm struggling on this pin. I'm making it look way more difficult than it truly is. You gotta love that. Ta-da! Finally, Lord. But if you know it's going to be that difficult to put on, it's going to be even harder to come off. So
Moto Lawyer, old Rick Stewart. Someone made you fall, you better make that call. Make that call to Rick now. He's going to help you out. He's going to turn that wreck into a check. You know what I'm talking about?